Experiment number 3, determination of bulk density, true density and porosity of given powder sample. Aim of this experiment is to determine bulk density, true density and porosity of given powder sample. Requirements: chemicals like a sample of any granules or powder, apparatus like funnel, graduated measuring cylinder, stopwatch, bulk density apparatus, weighing balance and burette stand. Theory behind this experiment is density is defined as weight per unit volume. The bulk density of a powder is obtained by dividing its mass by the bulk volume it occupies. The density corresponding to granular volume is termed as granular density. The true density of a material is the density of the actual solid material. Tap density, also called as compressed bulk density, is the limiting density of a powder attained after compaction by tapping or vibration. Porosity: it is the total space which is present in a collection of powder, whether the powder is porous or non-porous. The total porosity expression for calculation remains the same. Porosity may be defined as the ratio of void volume to the bulk volume. Porosity is equal to Vb minus Vp upon Vb. Porosity is always expressed in percent as porosity multiplied by 100. The porosity of a powder depends upon the type of packing. The packing is of two types, namely close packing, porosity up to 26%, and open packing, porosity more than 48%. Information about hardness, disintegration and tablet porosity, which is in turn related with dissolution and release of drugs, is obtained from porosity. Procedure: first, about determination of bulk density. Weigh accurately 25 gram of powder. Place it in dried graduated measuring cylinder and note volume as V1 ml. Place the cylinder containing sample in bulk density apparatus. Adjust apparatus for 100 tapping and operate it. Record the volume occupied by the powder as V2 in ml. Next, about determination of true density. Take a clean and dry specific gravity bottle having capacity 25 ml and place the ground in stopper. Weigh the empty specific gravity bottle. The weight is W1. Fill the bottle with water and keep the stopper. Place the bottle in a water bath having temperature 25 degrees Celsius. For equilibrium, it may take 15 minutes. Remove the bottle from the water bath. Wipe the outer surface of the bottle. Weigh the specific gravity bottle with water. The weight is W2. Remove water and wash the bottle with acetone. Dry the bottle with the help of hot air dryer. Fill the bottle with benzene and repeat the steps third and fourth. Weigh the specific gravity bottle with benzene. The weight is W3. Remove benzene and wash the bottle with water and acetone. Dry the bottle with the help of hot air dryer. Place about 5 gram of given powder, either heavy or light powder, in the specific gravity bottle. In case of light powders, 1 to 2 grams of sample may be adequate. Weigh the specific gravity bottle with powder. The weight is W4. Add slowly benzene into the specific gravity bottle containing powder with gentle swirling. Care should be taken to avoid the entrapment of air bubbles. Use vacuum pump. Gently add benzene up to the brim of the bottle. Place the bottle in the thermostat having temperature 25 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove the bottle from the water bath. Dry the bottle. Weigh the specific gravity bottle with solids and benzene. The weight is W5. During procedure, you have to do the observations for density of powders, bulk volume, that is a V1 in ml, mass of powder W1, that is in a gram. About calculations, first about bulk density, mass upon bulk volume, that is a W1 upon V1, and it will be in gram per ml. Calculation of true density. Weight of empty specific gravity bottle, that is W1 in a gram. Weight of specific gravity bottle plus water, that is W2 in a gram. Volume of the bottle, that is a V1, can be calculated by the formula W2 minus W1 upon 0.9961, where 0.9961 gram per cc is the density of water. Weight of specific gravity bottle plus benzene, that is W3 in a gram. Density of benzene can be calculated by weight of benzene upon volume of the bottle. Weight of benzene can be calculated by W3 minus W1 and volume of the bottle, that is a V1. Weight of specific gravity bottle plus powder, that is W4 in a gram. Weight of specific gravity bottle plus powder plus benzene, that is W5 in a gram. Volume of benzene displaced by the powder, that is a V2, can be calculated by volume of benzene minus volume of benzene when powder is placed. That is V2 is equal to W3 minus W1 upon density minus W5 minus W4 upon density. Density is of benzene. True density of a powder, that is a rho P, can be calculated by the formula W4 minus W1 upon V2. Calculation about porosity. Percent porosity can be calculated by the formula void volume upon bulk volume multiplied by 100. Void volume can be calculated by the formula bulk volume minus true volume. Alternatively, total porosity can be expressed in terms of densities. Percent porosity is equal to true density minus bulk density upon true density multiplied by 100. Lastly, you can write the result in such way that bulk density in a gram per ml, true density also in a gram per ml, and lastly the porosity in a percentage. Thank you.